Hey yo, it's Crusoe. Woo. It's not really showing off, you guys. It's the best way I find of breaking a tile, because sometimes your corner can break off when you're cutting it on your Sigma. Now we'll just give it a little bit of a polish up. The edge, this is in the shower, so you want it pretty damn good so you don't feel it with your bare feet. I always used to butt it right up close, but now these days I put a grout line in it. Put that down there safe. This is a polishing pad that I got online. I've got it a little bit out of centre actually, but it's cool. I got these online. They're for polishing marble, but you can polish anything with them. I got about 10 of them. They're all different grades. I don't know what this one is. $150. It goes up to about 1,000, I think. I just stick on like that. But yeah, ideal for this sort of thing, just to take your sharp edge off. They're not expensive. I always used to use a bit of sandpaper, but hey, you know, you change. But the DIY that doesn't want to go to the expense or fluffing around to, you know, buying these, they're not expensive, but a bit of sandpaper wrapped on a block just does the same thing. See you soon. This is Crusoe. See this sucker? It's for pointing and poking at the subscribe button. Whooshka. And another couple of tiles to go in my shower. Don't chip them, Chriso. Oh. Oh, yep. Whoop. We got there with that one. See that edge? I'll just give it a bit of a back cut and we're laughing. And we're good to go. You always got to be a little bit careful when you're fluffing around with these, because you don't want to chip them. And then it's, oh shit, I've got to cut it again. So you just be as careful as you can. Right, that's that one. Yeah, when you're handling them and putting them down and that sort of thing, you just got to be a little bit careful. Plenty of times in the past I've turned around and hit something or whatever, and you chip what you've spent a while cutting out. But it's not the end of the world. You just cut another one. Whooshka. I'll be placing them all down shortly and I'll show you that little trick shortly.